Presentation Video 8, Traffic Jams, What Are We Doing? In this video, we'll continue to look at problem solution presentations. We'll see how a cause is the reason something happens. A problem is a result of that cause. The causal relationship links them, showing how one event results in another. For example, CFCs in the atmosphere, the cause, lead to the depletion of the ozone, which is the problem we saw in the last unit. Understanding these connections helps identify solutions by addressing root causes. So let's take a look at what we'll see in this video. The problem is traffic jams. And that is caused by there being more cars on the road. And there are more cars on the road because Townsville is a nice place and because there is a new shopping and business center downtown. The proposed solution is to improve the trains. And this will be effective because it'll be more convenient. People realize it's more convenient to take a train than to sit in a traffic jam. Other things to notice is the structure. There's an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Also, the speaker explains why he is qualified to speak on the topic. Also, notice the specific solution, and it is how he says what it is, who will do it, and how they will do it. Finally, the visual aid is described and explained. It is made clear what the point of the visual aid is. Good morning, everybody. It's nice to see you. I am Jim Jensen. I'm here representing the Townsville Traffic Department. I have been working there for over 20 years as an urban planner. Today I'm going to talk about one of our problems, traffic jams. The title of my presentation is Traffic Jams. What are we doing? I will discuss the cause for these traffic jams, this congestion, and I will tell you what we are doing to solve this problem. First, I'd like to give you some good news. We are working very hard, and we've been working to improve the roads, and the roads are much better than they have been over the last few years. We've been filling cracks, filling potholes, and the roads are in better shape than they've been in a while. Very importantly, we have reduced the number of injury accidents. Our safety campaign, we started a campaign 1 year ago, and we have reduced the number of injury accidents, so we're very happy and proud of the results. I'm not here to talk about the good news, however. I'm here to talk about a problem that we are all well aware of, and that is the traffic jams that are getting bigger, getting worse. The reason for these traffic jams is very simple. There are more cars on the road. Let's look at this chart. It's titled The Number of Cars on the Road at 5 p.m. That's rush hour. The vertical axis is the number of cars by 1,000. The horizontal axis is the year. The blue bars show the number of cars on the road in Townsville. This chart clearly shows that the number of cars on the road is increasing dramatically. And that is why we are having more and bigger traffic jams. Townsville is a great place to live. People are moving here. Also, there's a new business complex downtown with the offices and shopping shops and restaurants, and more people are coming downtown to work and to shop and for entertainment, and this is simply increasing the number of cars on the road. This is a very difficult problem to solve. As a solution, we at the traffic department have some long-term plans. New roads, overpasses, perhaps using AI, incorporating it into the system. But that's all in the future. Short term, immediately, we have a plan, and that is to improve public transportation, specifically the trains. The plan is to get funds from the state and the federal government, and with this money we will improve the tracks, we will buy new train cars, and we will renovate the stations. The idea is that if we have a cleaner, faster, and more efficient train system, people will realize that it's more convenient to ride the trains into the city than to drive a car. In summary, that's the plan. More efficient trains. People will realize that it's more convenient to ride a train than sit in a traffic jam. We hope to start this soon with funds from the state and federal government. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions about our plans, I'd be happy to answer them.